Here we go. March 30th. And Angie's gonna climb the stairs all by herself because she's a big girl. Wow. Come on, sweetie. Whoa. Come here. Come here. Come here, Angela. Come here. Come here. Come on, hurry for the monster get you. Come on. Come on. Wow, big girl. Wow. Wow, come on, Angela. Wow. 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 Yay. All right. Big girl. High five. All right.